Hey guys, sorry it's been a while, but tonight on the Pit Boss ceramic grill that we got from Costco, we're gonna fire up a quick and easy meal. Uh, Went bargain bin hunting again this morning and came up with this little pot roast already netted. Got a couple big potatoes, and we're gonna make a little bit of thuckatash with some zucchini, some sweet corn, and an onion, maybe a little garlic too. We'll see. And all right, let's get her going. All right, so the first thing we got to do is give this thing a quick cleanup. Set our heat plate up there. Got our specialized tool, and you can see we still got some decent pieces of charcoal left in here. Stir this around, knock all the ash down. And that's what we got left from our last cook. Alright. Yeah, just do the best you can, get as much out as you can. Every once in a while, I'll pull out the shop vac and I'll reach in and suck everything out that's left over, but today we're not going to. See what we got. Yeah, we saved a little bit. Every once in a while you'll find some little rocks in there. Maybe a bit bad in there too. Reuse it up. Alright, let's go ahead and add our charcoal. Now normally I use my electric starter. It's basically like a heat gun that sits in there and starts charcoal, but today we're going to try some of these tumbleweeds. I mean, I've used them to start campfires and stuff like that before, and I've actually used them to start charcoal in the chimney. So we'll give this a try and see how it works. One thing to remember when you're using these things is keep in mind what you're cooking. I mean, if you're cooking steaks and you need hot, then you're really going to get a big fire going, and put that in there. Put a little bit up around it. And we're going. But when you're doing slow roast, you don't want to get a big fire going. I mean, you just want to get this thing started, let it come up to temperature. Because remember, it's easy to make this thing hot. It's harder to bring your temperatures down. So your best bet is just to let this thing come up slow, get up to your temperature. Today we're going to go for about 350 to 375, and let's go prep our meat. Right, to do this today, we're going to use a little aluminum drip pan. Use our adjustable rack. That's a little handy deal right here. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe. And as you can see, you can adjust the size by sliding it back and forth. Set that in there. Put our rib roast in the middle. So I got my drip pan. Works out perfect, man. Perfect. Then you have all your drippings you can make gravy with if you want later. For our seasoning, we're going to use a grill shaker. Let's see. You can see the list of ingredients there. This stuff's pretty good, actually. I like it. Pretty basic. I'm just going to put a real A coat of olive oil on here first. Almost forgot. Just real light. That's good enough. Good enough. Don't need a whole lot. If some falls in the bottom of the pan, that's just fine, because that'll go into your gravy. Tap her in there. That's looking pretty good. Alright, that's ready to go. Set that aside. Get our cutting board out. For the zucchini corn, cut your ends off. This is the way I do it. Put that thing right down the middle. Roll it. Cut it right down the middle again. And about a ½ inch thick, maybe pieces. I like nice big chunky pieces of zucchini myself. That's pretty much it. Gave the potatoes a good scrub. Let's see what the best in this. Potatoes wrapped. You all know about that. Simplest thing in the world. Baked potato on a grill. Alright. Good to go. Oh, gotta be in the camera, don't they? Yep. Alright. So this has been going for about, just under 10 minutes. Looks like we got a good start. So we're gonna leave the bottom vent wide open, and we're gonna leave the top vent wide open. Get our plate setter in there. Back on there. Close this lid and we're going to let it come up to temperature, and then we will adjust our vents. Yep, and we're using the Royal Oak, which is, it's okay. Here or there. And of course, you don't pay attention for an extra 5 minutes and you end up going too hot. So now I got to turn things down. In the meantime, these baked potatoes, they're going to be fine. I'm going to throw them on there. I'm going to set my cast iron in here and get that ready to go for our, and I got plenty of space to set my pan with the roast on it right there. Alright. That took some heat out of it. We'll see where it levels out at. I'd be happy with that temperature right there if it just stayed right there. Alright, we'll check back in 5 minutes and get this roast going. Alright. So we had to turn this down, and I've just been watching it. I'm in no hurry, man. I'm trying to figure this thing out just like anybody. I got it down to 400 degrees. I'm at 1 there and 2 down here, but it's been maintaining that temperature for a while. I think once I pop the lid and let some heat out and put our roast on, I added some beef stock to the bottom of my drip pan. Let's go ahead and burp. I'm gonna get in the habit of doing that. Toss our roast on there. I'm gonna grab my meat thermometer and give it a probe. Be back in a minute. Perfect. For a little added flavor on our meal tonight, as you can see, my temperature is holding perfect at 360. I love it. I'm gonna add this piece of cherry in there and get her smoking. And so my temperature did drop slowly. It's about 325 right now. I opened up the vents just a little bit. Try and get it back up around the 350 range. And another thing I'm going to do here, oh, you can see that. I don't know if you can see that or not. That light smoke coming off there from that piece of cherry wood. Smells good. We're at 113 degrees and rising pretty steady on our beef. So we're going to start our corn. Squash succotash. I got some onion, a little bit of garlic. Our pan should be good and hot, so let's go ahead and saute these real quick. There we go. Sauteing good and hot, perfect for sauteing. See how our roast is coming along. Looks like we're going to get a nice gravy out of that. Alright, let's close her up for a minute. I'll be right back. Alright, let's give this a quick stir. There we go. Just wanted to brown these up just a little bit before we add our corn. Go with a little salt. Black pepper. There, let's add our corn. I'm just going to let that cook down and reduce a little bit. A little extra moisture is not going to hurt this roast at all. Alright, looks good. Temperature check, we're at 129, so we're only 10 degrees off our target. I actually think I'm going to go to 145, just for my personal taste on this roast. You pick whatever temperature you want. Alright, we hit 146, one over, but that's fine. So we're going to pull this thing out. And let it rest for a little bit. Wrap it in some foil. Everything else is looking pretty good. Alright, let's go. Okay, so we're going to wrap this in foil. We're going to put that in the oven. Oven's not on. I'm just sitting in there to place the rest. Take our rack off. Look at those good juices that we got there for our gravy. All right, 1 minute. We'll be right back. We're going to bring this up to a simmer. I got about a cup more water, a little more than a cup, and that looks about good there. And a heaping teaspoon of cornstarch. To that, I'm just going to add a little salt and pepper, and that'll be our gravy. That looks pretty good. It'll thicken up as it heats up.